Heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems are essential for modern life. They keep us comfortable in our homes and workplaces. HVAC systems also protect our health by controlling temperature and air quality. As buildings become more complex, the demand for skilled HVAC technicians continues to grow. HVAC technology is constantly evolving to meet the demands of energy efficiency and sustainability. This means that HVAC technicians need to stay up to date on the latest advancements in the field. Our HVAC schools and training programs play a vital role in equipping individuals with the knowledge and skills necessary to succeed in this dynamic industry. Without proper training, HVAC installation and maintenance can be dangerous. Improperly installed systems can lead to refrigerant leaks, which can harm the environment. HVAC technicians are trained to handle refrigerants safely and to follow proper installation procedures. In the past, HVAC technicians often learned their trade through apprenticeships. While apprenticeships are still valuable, there is a growing recognition of the importance of formal HVAC education. HVAC schools provide students with a comprehensive understanding of the theory and practice of HVAC systems. The rise of HVAC schools can be attributed to several factors. Firstly, the increasing complexity of HVAC systems requires a higher level of technical expertise. Secondly, governments around the world are implementing stricter regulations regarding energy efficiency and environmental protection. This has created a demand for HVAC technicians who are knowledgeable about these regulations. The development of new HVAC technologies such as geothermal heating and cooling systems has also driven the need for specialized training. These technologies require a different skill set than traditional HVAC systems, and HVAC schools have adapted their curriculum to reflect these changes. HVAC education and training vary widely across the globe. Some countries, such as the United States, have a well-established network of HVAC trade schools and community colleges. These institutions offer a range of programs, from short-term certificate courses to associate degrees. In other countries, such as Germany, apprenticeship programs are more common. Apprentices typically work under the supervision of an experienced HVAC technician for several years, learning the trade through hands-on experience. Many European countries also have strong vocational training systems that offer specialized HVAC programs. Despite these differences, there are some common elements to HVAC education worldwide. Students typically learn about the fundamentals of thermodynamics, refrigeration cycles, and air distribution systems. They also gain practical experience in installing, maintaining, and troubleshooting HVAC equipment. A career in HVAC offers numerous opportunities for growth and advancement. With the right training and experience, HVAC technicians can specialize in areas such as commercial refrigeration, industrial HVAC, or energy management. The demand for qualified HVAC technicians is high worldwide. As the construction industry continues to grow and existing buildings require maintenance and upgrades, HVAC technicians can find employment in a variety of settings, including HVAC contracting firms, building management companies, manufacturing facilities, and government agencies. The HVAC industry also offers opportunities for entrepreneurship. Many HVAC technicians start their own businesses, providing installation, maintenance, and repair services to residential and commercial customers. As buildings become more technologically advanced, there will be a growing need for HVAC technicians who can install and maintain smart home systems and building automation technologies.